Bulletproof Dog Training here in Cincinnati, Ohio. And today our newest 50-day board and train, Piper. Piper is a 4-year-old mixed breed. Mom and dad brought her in because she likes to resource guard and she kind of nips at the kids sometimes. So we're just going to work on that while she's here and work on her obedience. But before we get started, let's got some mail she knows. Hey, Piper, can you come? Can you come? Yes, good girl. Yes, sit. Sit. Good girl. Eat up. All right, as you can see, she just wants to leave the building. but be sure to check back in 15 days for amazing transformation, and thanks for choosing Bulletproof.